common question among new cigar rollers is what type of glue to use. Years ago I found Bermocoll, and Bermocoll is an edible food-based or food-safe product. It's also odorless and tasteless and makes a good cigar glue or paste. And I'm going to show you how I mix mine up. So I use a small plastic container, and I use the 6-to-1 ratio, meaning 6 parts of distilled water to 1 part Bermocoll. And I know that, and I actually use a teaspoon, so I know that because I've made numerous batches with this container, that the bottom of this line is 6 teaspoons of distilled water. So let's go ahead and fill up the container, and that is 6 teaspoons of distilled water. Then we take the Bermocoll and just simply get a teaspoon. And what I like to do is just lightly sprinkle into the surface. And it's that simple. I'll put my lid on the product so I don't spill it. Then I have another smaller spoon, and what I do is I just start stirring. And I stir and stir and just keep stirring. You can't stir enough. I kind of press some of the globs against the side as well. So just keep stirring for several minutes. So if you notice, there's a lot of air starting to mix in with the product. And I like to just keep stirring till it gets nice and frothy. And what I'll do then is I'll put the lid on this product and set it off to the side for about 24 hours. Just leave it set, and then eventually the air will dissipate out of the product, and then it becomes nice and clear and gel-like and makes a perfect glue for your cigars. Well, I had some other responsibilities crop up. I had intended on showing you the end result a day ago, but it's been 48 hours instead of 24. And you can see that the product is looking really good. Got a little bit of froth left on top, but we can still use this, no big deal. Eventually those bubbles will go away. So this is what the 6-to-1 ratio looks like. Remember, 6 parts distilled water to 1 part Bermocoll. And it's perfect for those of you that like to roll your own vitolas. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.